If you're curious about Gamma AI and want to know whether it's worth using, today we're going to talk about its advantages and disadvantages. Gamma AI is an AI-powered platform that helps you create professional, visually appealing presentations quickly, but like any tool, it has both strengths and limitations. Let's start with the advantages. First, Gamma AI is extremely beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a designer or tech expert to make a professional presentation. The platform's AI automatically suggests layouts, fonts, colors, and visuals based on your content, which makes creating slides fast and easy. Second, it's a huge time saver. Normally, designing presentations can take hours, from choosing the right layout to formatting text and images. Gamma AI automates most of these tasks, allowing you to focus on your ideas instead of design. Third, Gamma AI offers smart content organization. The AI doesn't just make slides look good, it helps structure your content logically. Your audience can easily follow your message, making it ideal for business pitches, school projects, workshops, and online courses. Another major advantage is customization and flexibility. While the AI gives you ready-made designs, you can also tweak colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your personal style or brand. This makes it suitable for beginners who want guidance and advanced users who want creative control. Now, let's look at the disadvantages. One limitation is that the AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it might not interpret your content exactly how you want, so you may need to manually adjust slides to make your points clearer or reorganize information. Another drawback is over-reliance on templates. Because Gamma AI makes design easy, presentations could start to look similar if you don't customize enough. Adding your own creative touches is important to make your work stand out. Lastly, for those who want to use advanced features, there may be a slight learning curve. Beginners can get started quickly, but exploring advanced customization, integrations, or AI-powered suggestions might take some time to fully master. Overall, Gamma AI is a powerful tool that combines ease of use, time-saving features, and professional results. Its advantages far outweigh its limitations, especially if you're willing to tweak your slides and add a personal touch. So, if you want to create polished presentations faster and smarter, give Gamma AI a try today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Once you start using Gamma AI, you'll see just how much easier creating presentations can be.